Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Blogger on a Budget because bitch, I'm always on a budget. So if you're seeing me for the first time, hi, my name is Shreya and I love to post hauls and fashion related content on my channel. So I know I am being missing from a really long time and I'm really sorry for that, but not from now. So today's video is going to be my bag haul as I love watching hauls and my Shein package is yet to come. So starting again in this YouTubing world with my bag haul. So let's just get started. This is the first purse. This is a wallet actually, and this is quite convenient and this is quite small and quite spacious. This bag is from Shein and the chain is of gold detailing. I'm really obsessed with this purse right now. So this is the second bag. This is a mini bag from Shein. This is again a snake print with brown and black color in it with gold detailing. You can use it like this. It comes with a chain as well and you can use it as a sling bag. I am quite disappointed by the space actually. Like I thought it would be big, but it's not that big. And अगर आपका phone बड़ा है तो it won't come, like it won't fit. So the third bag is a small mini backpack. I got it from Pacific Mall Market 99 in Dehradun obviously. This bag is so cute. Like I loved it. Like it has cute bow kind of detailing right here and it is quite spacious and it is quite sturdy as well, so it looks very good with any kind of outfit. Just hang it and you're good to go. Okay, so the fourth bag is my favorite bag. It's like this is so soft and even I got it from Market 99 Pacific Mall and yeah, it's green color with gold detailing and it is very spacious. Like you can keep your small books and all and it is good to go and it is quite soft, even you can play with it. It has bunny ears as well. The fifth bag is again a backpack, a small mini backpack. This is black in color and I got it from Shein I guess few months back. Yeah, few months back. It has cute bunny ears as well, silver detailing. So this is the sixth bag. This is a vintage vibe bag. It is again from Shein and this is a sort of crocodile print. It is black in color and it gives you a very stylish look. On the other hand, the quality is really good on the price. Like the price is quite affordable and Shein pricing thing is like really good for me actually. So I love this bag. I can't wait to style this bag. This is the seventh bag. This is again from Shein. This is a holographic bag and you can use it like this as well, and it comes with this chain, so you can just use it as a sling bag as well. The quality is good. I won't say that is very good, but it is good. And this is again in a gold detailing. I love the color, this holographic. This is a bum bag and this is again in a holographic sequence color. The belt is black and this looks really good. Like yeah, and even this is quite spacious as well. It comes with a leather kinda look. The quality is very good on the price range, so why not? This is again on the same print bum bag. This is just in black and with silver detail. The quality is really good in the price range and it can be styled in two ways. One that is shown in this video on the waist and the other can be belted on the shoulder side. So it can be used in both the ways and it looks really good. So this is again a bag from Shein. This is in the print of white black and it looks quite good. I don't have anything in like the snake print in white and black. On the price range, the quality is really good and This bag can be styled in two ways. One on the waist belt way and the other on the shoulder cross way. This bag is again from Shein, and it's been 2 years that this is with me, and इसका इधर कुछ था but वो कहीं खो गया. So I don't know. Quality yet is very good. This is a tote bag and I got it from Market 99 Pacific Mall. This is really spacious. Like whenever I went out for a shoot, मेरे सारे काम की चीज़ें इसमें ही मैं लेती हूँ because it is quite big. As you can see, it is quite big and quite spacious, and the quality is really good. So this is the last bag, and again it is black in color with white detailing right here, and I got it from Market 99 Pacific Mall. And this is my college bag actually. Like, I love it. This is so convenient, so good, and so classy at the same time. So this is the end of the haul. I hope you guys love my not so fancy bag haul, and let me know which one you guys liked it. And thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. Please leave your comment right below. Thank you and have a great day. Bye.